Derivatives of trig function. Any guesses? What do you think is going to happen? It's going to become overall what function? Sine. But what do you think is going to happen with the 4 and the 2? Any guesses? 4 will stay where it is. Yep. And the 2. If you have cos with a function inside of it, right? The derivative is you bring the derivative of the function inside like that. Oh, and it should be negative sign. So if there's a function inside cos, you find that derivative and bring that function derivative outside when you're finding the overall derivative. So it's like a derivative within a derivative. It's like inception. Okay? So hopefully you figured out this one. So what's going to happen? What's the derivative of 2x? 2. And the cos becomes negative sine 2x. So the thing inside the sine or cos, the 2x stays the same, and we bring that derivative out the front. Is anyone still lost? Okay, so the final answer, 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 sine 2x. Is that okay? Yeah, it's... I don't know, I just felt like putting it there. Do you want me to put it there instead? Find it different. There you go. Something like that. Okay, so first step, in case you zoned out, find the derivative to find the gradient. Okay, so we just did this. The derivative of sine is what? Perfect. And if there's a number out the front of x, what do we do with it? Put it out the front as well. Now we want the gradient, so we have to sub in x. X equals pi over 6. Again, this is why I did this last lesson in terms of getting you to practice your unit circles and your special triangles. So what's cos pi over 2? 0? Let's now sub in x equals pi over 6 to find the y value. Sine 3 times pi over 6. Sine pi over 2 is 1. Okay, so we have our y and x. We're going to do the third step. So that was the second step. Fine. Third step is find the tangent function. So it's very similar to that tangent function lesson we did last week. I think it was for exponentials, or was it logs? Was it logs? Okay. So yeah, it's the same 3 steps. And you did it in Unit 2 as well. So I believe this is called the y-intercept form. The y is 1, 0, and the x is pi over 2. So the tangent is y equals 1. So it is a straight line. Thank you. Okay, so the tangent for this function is at the top of the curve, which is just that, y equals 1. Make sense? That's the tangent. That's the function. Tangent function. Okay, so hopefully it's not stressing your brain out too much. Pretty easy lesson.